Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of North America's most stunning birds, the western bluebird. With its vibrant blue and orange plumage, the western bluebird is a true gem in the world of birds. Scientifically known as Caellia mexicana, the western bluebird is a small thrush found primarily in the western regions of North America. Males showcase brilliant blue upper parts with a rusty orange chest and flanks, while females have more subdued colors, with grayish tones blending with the blue and orange. These birds thrive in open woodlands, farmlands, and orchards. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Western bluebirds are also known for their social behavior. Outside of the breeding season, they can often be seen in small flocks, especially during migration. So next time you're out in nature, keep an eye and ear out for the western bluebird. It's a wonderful reminder of the beauty and diversity of our natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the western bluebird. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife content.